Okay, all three babies are out. Third one, which is the one in the middle in the back, came out on his own late yesterday morning. They actually, some of them tend to go back into the box at night. That's Titan eating the corn, Keshet the mother in the back, and the three babies are over here. Interesting, the one making most of the noise to be fed is the one in the middle, which is the youngest baby. We know the green one to the left was eating some of the corn niblets on its own yesterday, so maybe they are weaning themselves. We don't know, we're not into this sort of business. Obviously at some stage they'll start to eat solids. And Keshet may be going over now, maybe not. But the two babies over there are queuing up. We put extra branches in there yesterday. Oh, little baby flyer. This one is a real flyer. Here's the baby down here, flew down. They're all very vocal this one. They know it's breakfast time. They know Evelyn's about to give them all fresh food. Okay, so we're going to let Mama feed them. Okay, fresh food's coming.